friends, and welcome back to the BrushFalls Studio YouTube channel. We're painting people here, and I'm Larry, and I'll be painting for you again today. In our last exciting episode, we pulled a string of beads through a ring pour, and I'm not going to do that today, but we're going to have a similar idea. So to start with, I have a 10 by 20 long and skinny canvas here. I have 6 paints mixed up, along with a very neat blue-gray background that we're going to use for that was leftover paint. Let's have some fun. Come on with me. I use this spatula here. My wife appreciates it when I do it. You should taste the frosting after we paint.